Open the wooden box. Check if the equipment screws are loose. Check these places. Is the screw here loose? And is the screw here loose? Including whether the screws above are loose. For foot cups for adjusting equipment, bring the equipment to the level. Reserve 0.8 meters next to it, left and right, convenient for daily maintenance and personnel movement. The device is connected to the power supply and the trachea. This is the trachea, 10 毫米 trachea. Plug directly into this trachea. This is a power plug. Here is the hand pull valve. First of all, pull this way. The air pressure must be between 0.4 to 0. Generally 0.5 is the best. Voltage is A, C 180 伏 to 250 伏, normal voltage 220 伏. Power on the device. Here are two buttons. One is green. One is red. Green is on. Red is closed. Press the green button. Turn on the power. The screen will light up. There are two languages. This is Chinese. This is English. We choose English. Equipment before production. Let's idle the device first. We find the third button. Device settings. Press the second button to press it down. Turn yellow. At this time, the device can be idled. Before the device is idle, let's press this reset button. Be sure to pay attention when pressing the reset button. This place will go back. Let's click. Direct boot device. At this time, the device can be idled. We'll before production. Be sure to let the device idle for 5 minutes. Then we reproduce. Want to stop the device? Just hit the stop button here. The device will stop after 1 cycle. It's in production now. First, turn on this mode. Turn blue. It's production mode. We need to prepare the product before production. This face valve should be placed in the front. To push this way. Be sure to pay attention when pushing. What we have here is a fiber optic sensor. Here becomes a blue. If it's anything else, it becomes a red dot. The principle is the same. You pull this apart. It means there is no product. You push forward, make sure it's a blue one. Or a red one. And then here is the empty base. We're going to push forward, push in place. After pushing in place, at our location, it will show a yellow one. If you don't push it in place, it's a green one. So it turns blue. The description is okay. It has to be yellow. At this time, our products are already in place. Let's press the reset button. Be sure to press the reset button before starting. Click and we can directly produce it now. When we don't have products here, the device will automatically stop. I just need to put the product here. It automatically produces. Now I want to stop. The reason is the same. I'll just press the stop button here. The device can be stopped. The reason why the device cannot start when we are in production mode, when we don't put products on both sides. The cause of this failure will be displayed here on our screen. For example, I will press reset. Then, now I press start. It will tell us here, no product and no such base. We'll put the product over now. Then put the base over. At this time, you can press reset first. And then we're going to boot up the device again. Then the equipment can be produced normally. Daily maintenance of equipment. We mainly check for the active place. For example, on the guide rail, add lubricating oil once a week. The guide post including the linear bearing needs to be refueled. Everyone must pay attention to the piston of the cylinder. The pistons of any cylinder cannot be refueled. If you need to refuel, you also need to add specific cylinder oil. You can't add oil casually. Add oil and it will be damaged. Adjustment method of cylinder sensor. In principle, we have 2 sensors per cylinder. Then this cylinder, its main function is to move this cylinder forward. This light will come on when you are in place. It goes back and this light will come on if we are adjusting the sensor. We're going to look at this cylinder. Does it extend out or retract? If the cylinder sticks out, the front lights up. If it is pulled back, this will light up. It's the same here. So now there are also 2 here. Now the cylinder is working up, so the light above the cylinder works down, is this bright. Then this is the function of our cylinder magnetic switch. And adjustment method.